Good morning, folks. It is the 31st of March, 2023. This is Crypto Clown World. I am your host, Jason Bruce, the host with the honks, and we are honking back in to Bitcoin today. I'm going to get it cracking as fast as I can because what we're looking at here is pretty darn interesting. What I'm seeing here is Bitcoin has broken out of this head and shoulders pattern that formed in this sort of a descending parallel channel, and we can see here that we had some bullish divergence with this swing low on the RSI, lower than this swing here, with this swing in price action higher than this swing here. So those corresponding swings created this divergence in the relative strength index, and when we see that happen in a falling channel with another confirmation pattern like this inverse head and shoulders, this gives us a high likelihood for a breakout. We had tight moving averages here, okay, and now we have price action above these moving averages, above the middle Bollinger Band, and testing this point of control and this upper Bollinger Band, okay? So right now, on this 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin at $28,344, we'd like to see another candle close above that within the next hour or two. All right, so we did have PCE data that came out this morning, and it looks like the larger markets are responding to that favorably as well, where we've seen a similar move on the S&P futures, where we did have a breakout of the inverse head and shoulders here as well. So we do see some corresponding price action there. And I just want to jump over to the S&P futures, or excuse me, the Bitcoin futures on CME. And what we're seeing here is that we've been bouncing around in this channel here, which actually this was a gap on the CME price action. Okay, so that gap has now generated a consolidation in that area after we had previously filled it. Okay, so we came up, filled it, came back down, and now we're consolidating and looking to break out of that area. So the next target range could be as low as 29.7, or we could see some further moves up here. Alright, so just in terms of this channel, break out of this point of control, I think we can expect price up above this $30,000 area. So we'll continue to see how that plays out for Bitcoin. Alright, real quick, I'm just going to take a look at the corresponding Ethereum price action. Ethereum has a nice breakout occurring as well. See, this was creating really kind of more of a symmetrical break out of this point of control. A little bit of a cover So we did cover ES1 and Bitcoin. They are responding to this inflation data. So I just want to cover this inflation data real quick and what we're seeing here with this inflation data. All right. It says inflation softened in February. PCE finds gives ammo for Fed rate hike pause. Core PCE increases 0.3% in March. I believe the projected was 0.4. So they are going to look at that as being bullish short term for the markets, for the traders that are in the market today. So a bullish Friday for right now for the markets. So we saw 0.6% in January, and that's a pretty nice decrease. So potentially may pause rates, and the Fed won't meet on that again until May unless there's another huge catastrophic meltdown or something more ridiculous that's going on in the wider markets. So Bitcoin here breaking out of this point of control. I just want to highlight that real quick. I'm not going to go macro here on Bitcoin because I'm just kind of going intra-hour and intraday, and I'm going to cover the macro later on today on a live stream, okay? That will be going down around the closing time, around 7 p.m., as we will be seeing a monthly and quarterly close, which is going to be huge for Bitcoin. So I just want to jump out to the 4-hour time frame. This actually is a really bullish flag that we're looking at here. This is a nice looking flag because we're seeing pretty strong price action on coming up to this area here where if we close a candle above this area on the 4-hour, which is like, what is this, 28.7, we could be off to the races. So that looks pretty nice to me. Did take back the RSI on the 50 level here. The stochastics RSI is just moving into a favorable territory. Let's see what the 12-hour bounce looked like this morning, and the 12-hour bounce is looking pretty strong as well. All right. We can see, where's our point of control? Come on. All right, so the point of control, it looks like that's been pretty firmly cleared on the 12-hour. That gives us a really strong signal just above 28K that the market is looking to test the top of this Bollinger Band here, and that would create more than likely a new higher close on the 12-hour time frame, probably later on in the day, after we get the daily and monthly close. So let's see if that plays out. That would be fantastic if we got another big candle like this one. Like, where would that take us? Yeah, up to that level. So that would take us up to, close to 29.3, 29.4, somewhere in that area. All right. Bingo, bango, bongo. That is Bitcoin. I am Jason Bruce. This is Crypto Clown World. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Keep in mind, nothing you saw here is financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. And make sure that you're doing your own research before jumping into any coin, project, trade, or investment. Thank you for tuning in, folks. If you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. I'm going to be bringing more updates, XRP, altcoins, larger markets, macro updates, all kinds of stuff coming soon. I've been backlogged. I apologize I haven't been on, but you guys are fantastic. I hope that you're listening in, and I'll be talking to you later.